This is the Horizon Fireplace Door by Hearthcraft for masonry fireplaces. The Horizon has two different door style options: trackless bifold and cabinet doors. Trackless bifold doors have the ability to open 180 degrees for enhanced viewing and latch magnetically in both open and closed positions. Here's an example of how cabinet or twin doors open on a different Hearthcraft door, the Slimline. This upgrade door style has one large piece of glass per door. The 3/16" tempered safety glass is covered by a 1-year warranty. The door glass is available in the 3 tints displayed here: clear, gray, and bronze. As a safety reminder, always keep the doors open when burning a fire. The high heat can discolor the finish and shatter the tempered safety glass. Included with this fireplace glass door are pre-installed sliding black mesh curtains. The curvy aluminum mainframe of the Horizon is 1 3/4 inches wide and 1 1/4 inch deep. The Horizon masonry door shown here is 37 7/8 inches wide and 24 3/4 inches tall. But this door can be custom sized to your specifications to fit any masonry fireplace. The door is available in 2 finishes: classic flat black and anodized polished brass. The Horizon door is an overlap fit door only. It is best suited for installation against a flat surface rather than rough stone. This masonry fireplace door comes fully assembled with all mounting hardware included for an easy customer installation. Remember, overlap doors need a hearth to sit on to support the frame and won't work with hole-in-the-wall fireplaces. Outfit your masonry fireplace today with the beautiful Horizon Fireplace Door by Hearthcraft.